tax tips. We regularly publish clear, practical tax-saving guidance designed to help you retain more of your income with straightforward advice that works in practice. Our content covers everyday expenses, director remuneration strategies, capital allowances, VAT planning, pensions and capital gains tax, alongside key deadlines and record-keeping requirements. What you'll find in our tax tips section: allowable expenses, guidance on what can and cannot be claimed, including mileage, home working, subsistence, training and staff-related costs. Profit extraction, strategies for directors including salary versus dividends, use of director loan accounts, pension contributions and year-end planning. Capital allowances, practical insight into annual investment allowance, AIA, full expensing, vehicles and timing of claims. VAT planning, advice on registration, deregistration, partial exemption, flat rate schemes and common input tax issues, alongside making tax digital best practice. Pensions and retirement planning, tax-efficient use of personal and company pension contributions, allowances and carry-forward rules. Capital gains tax, CGT, guidance on property disposals, reporting requirements, business asset disposal relief, share transactions and use of losses. Owner-managed business essentials, year-end planning checklists, dividend documentation, payroll considerations, and cash flow management around tax deadlines. How to use the tax tips section. Browse recent articles for quick wins and more detailed guidance. Each topic is explained clearly, supported by examples and practical actions you can take. If a particular issue applies to your circumstances, we can provide tailored advice. Personalized tax review. Every client's situation is different. If you would like a focused review to identify tax-saving opportunities, email Nigel at hollandandcompany.co.uk with a brief summary of your circumstances. For example, whether you are employed, self-employed, a company director, landlord or investor. We will outline the next steps and, where appropriate, provide a fixed fee proposal. Stay updated. We regularly add new content, particularly around budget changes and year-end planning. We can also include you in our tax calendar reminders to ensure you are notified ahead of key deadlines. Important note: this content is intended as general guidance only and does not constitute specific advice. Tax rules change and their impact depends on individual circumstances. Please contact us before taking action. Visit the tax tips section. You can access the latest articles and guidance via the tax tips section on our website. Prefer to speak directly? Contact us to discuss your position and identify practical ways to reduce your tax liability.